Watched him drink his pain away. A little
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Gangsters, bad bitches, and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I can get it in. Got some women on Kansas. Hashtag they ain't ready for me.
Can I get a demo?
With some money in my pocket.
I would love to hear it.
Get in, Jack.
I'm sorry, man. I want to hear it.
Get in, God dang, yeah, get in, bub.
Appreciate it. Woo.
He can steal my demo.
Are these ZB5s?
Yeah,
Well, how much power are you on?
about 12.
12,000 watts?
It's got 4 MBX 3Ks in it right now.
And you said it'll play all the way down to 17 hertz. Really?
I've had it playing 17.
What do you peak at?
It's supposed to be 33.
33? Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
Yeah, it's 59 hertz note. It's doing 60.4.
Really?
Or it was.
On a burp? Wow. Okay. Anyway, nice to meet you. Thank you. What's your vehicle? This is pretty cool.
85 S10 Blazer.
85. Okay. Oldie. Nice. Awesome. Nice to meet you, man. Thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
Woo.
Anytime, brother.
You too. Yes, sir.
He put that bomb. Fix your face. Luffy. I'm so far away. Find the car, take the curve and get up. That's little. Yeah, when he has cigars and Miss Snowville.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.